Today we are going to be having a battle between two robot vacuums, one of them being the Omni C28 from eufy and the Roborock Qrevo S5V. Now this is not a brand new release from eufy, this is the Omni C28 which made it to the top 20 best robot vacuums list of Vacuum Wars in 2026. But does that ranking make sense when you put it against a strong competitor like the Qrevo S5V from Roborock? There's only one way to find out. I hope this is not going to be too bloody. Let's get ready to rumble for two vacuums.
Starting off with some backstory, because the C28 is the upgraded model of eufy's bestseller X10 Pro Omni, which was already one of the eufy's bestseller models in 2024, but the C28 comes with major upgrades, and you're getting 15,000 pascals of suction compared to 8,000 pascals of the X10 Pro Omni, so around 1.8 times more suction power. And the mopping system is also upgraded from base mop pads to an always clean roller mop. And for hair removal, the C28 moves from the tangle comb system to a hair tangle-free dual roller design. And now the Roborock Qrevo S5V comes with the features that you would expect from a modern robot vacuum, like the lighter navigation, the strong suction, the automatic mop washing, auto drying, and the self-maintenance station. The eufy Omni C28, however, takes a slightly different approach, as it puts more attention on the cleaning performance with the Hydrojet self-cleaning roller mop, the dual spiral detangle brushes, the 15,000 pascals of suction, and the dual side brushes with an all-in-one station. And in simple terms, the C28 is built around three big problems: dirty floors, hair tangles, and daily maintenance.
Now, as far as the first impressions is that the C28 is a slightly smaller unit than the S5V by Roborock. Both of them have the water system on top for the fresh and the dirty water that it collects. Here on top on the Roborock, just plug it in simply into the wall outlet and it starts working right away. Now, as far as the robots, that's where the main difference comes in, because in the C28, it uses a single rolling mop pad that it self-washes as it's mopping, and then here in the Roborock S5V, it uses a dual mop pad that it doesn't self-clean as it's washing. That is going to be not so beneficial, and I'm going to show you in just a little bit. Both of these systems have the all-in-one, which means that it self-cleans itself and it also self-empties itself. Now let's go ahead and get more into details about these two robots.
And to make this easier to understand, let's do a side-by-side test. On one side we have the dual spin mop pads that clean the stain at first, but as the pads get dirty, they start to push the dirty water around the floor, so instead of fully removing the mess, they can spread some of it across the surface. And on the other side, the C28 roller's mop keeps washing itself while it's cleaning, so the fresh water goes onto the roller, the dirty water is scraped away, and the roller stays clean throughout the run. So that's the big difference between wiping a stain and actually washing it away. And not only that, it uses the dual spiral detangle brushes. That is, step one is to pick up the hair. The dual-arm rubber bristle roller rotates forward and the bristle closes together to grab the hair and debris more effectively. And then step two is to guide it. As the rollers rotate, the hair is guided inward while the comb teeth help to stop it from clumping around the brush. And then step three is to expand. As the robot returns to the station, the roller reverses and separates towards the sides, creating a gap in the middle. And step four is suction, because the collected hair falls through that middle gap and gets suction into the station. So instead of you flipping over the robot and cutting out the tangled hair, the system is designed to remove it automatically. Now, the Roborock Qrevo S5V also has a capable cleaning system, but the C28 feels more directly designed for heavy hair homes, and when you add the dual side brushes, it gives that C28 the real edge, because the Roborock uses a single side brush. Now, it also has a 10.8mm lift, which helps the mop avoid carpets and helps reduce the resoiling on hard floors. And this is going to ensure that the C28 reaches the 99.99 hair pickup and the 76.4 dust pickup, giving that best-in-class advantage over the Roborock Qrevo S5V. So I think for everyday cleaning, the eufy Omni C28 feels like the better suited for homes, because it's all-in-one station, because this is not just a charging dock. It empties dust, it washes the mop, refills the water, dries the mop, it collects the wastewater. So for someone who wants a robot vacuum that needs almost no daily attention, the C28 makes more sense. But if you only need light daily maintenance, the Roborock Qrevo S5V is still a good option. But if your home has pets, kids, mixed flooring, or frequent spills, the C28 is going to give you more confidence. So bottom line is that although the Roborock Qrevo S5V is a solid robot vacuum, The eufy Omni C28 feels like a stronger everyday choice. It focuses on the things that matters most, like the cleaner mopping, the better head handling, the stronger suction, and less maintenance, and that is the real value here because a robot vacuum should not just move around your home, it should actually solve the cleaning problems that you bought it for. So for that reason, I think the winner here is going to be the eufy Omni C28 because I think it's the one that I would choose for real life homes. Link will be in the description below. As always, stay tuned for more content. Make sure to take advantage during Prime Day. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.